Okay, guys, this is section 2. This is just the generic directions for writing a prompt. In this passage, you will reread the passage from section 1 and then respond to the writing prompt based on the passage. You may look at the passage as often as you like. So you've already read it twice, but obviously you're going to have a different reason for reading it, so you're going to want to read it probably another 2 times. Your writing will not be scored on your personal opinions or choices, but will be scored objectively on how clearly you address the prompt, how well you organize your ideas, how effectively you express yourself, how consistently you use correct paragraphing, grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Be sure to use the rules of Standard English. Standard English is English commonly used in formal writing. It does not include slang or jargon. Note, only your writing on this lined pages in this book will be scored. So, really quickly, let's talk. How clearly you address the prompt. So you have to stay on topic, and you have to make sure you answer and complete all the tasks being asked of you. It says they don't score you on your personal opinions, but if you do not support it with whatever is in the text, they're not going to count it. You must organize. So remember, we can use transition words. We can use parts of the prompt to show a logical organization. You need to express yourself effectively, which means you need to make sense. And then you also need to use correct paragraphing, so you need to indent, and you need to use the best grammar and spelling and punctuation that you can. But remember, if you spell, I would rather you use a big word that you maybe have a chance of misspelling, as opposed to not using a bigger word. And then it's formal writing, so we don't want any slang, any text-looking writing, anything like that. And it says only the writing on your line pages in this book will be scored. Therefore, the plan is not graded, but I am grading your plan because I need to make sure you are practicing writing a plan, so make sure you do so. So you can go ahead and this is the end of this video, just explaining the generic directions. The next video will be a little bit more specific to the prompt.